Welcome to the tutorial on Starfish Early Alert. The purpose of this tutorial is to serve as a beginning guide for students to familiarize themselves with accessing the various early alert functions within Starfish. Early Alert allows an instructor to notify their students when there is a concern about performance or success in a course. The instructor can also notify students if they notice that a particular resource is needed or if they would like to send a student a note of encouragement. Other members in the Student Success Network may also be able to view and connect with the student regarding the early alert. Certain flags or referrals can be raised by other individuals on campus to help students connect to resources. There are various types of early alert items that can be raised within Starfish. A kudo allows instructors to acknowledge students who are showing improvement or outstanding work in a course. A flag is to alert a student on their course progress or personal concerns so that actions may be taken. A flag is not a punishment or an indication of failure in a course. A referral allows an instructor to connect students to available services on campus. After an early alert has been raised, students will receive notification of the early alert item through their State Center Community College District email. A notice will also display in the Starfish dashboard. This is another reason it is important to be checking your State Center Community College District email regularly to not miss any important communications. Now let's take a look at where to find the early alert items within Starfish. Once logged into Starfish, you will want to go to your student dashboard. To go to your dashboard, click on the Starfish navigation menu and select Dashboard. In the Notifications section, you will find any active flags, referrals, or to-dos. You will be able to view information for each of these items that are listed here. These details will include who raised the item, what course it is related to if applicable, and any comments provided by the person who raised it. Most items that you find in this section are intended to help you take action, so be sure to pay attention to the comments and follow up. You will find kudos in their own section. Kudos are what we use to recognize your good efforts. For each kudo, you will be able to view information about who raised it, what course it is related to, if applicable, and any comments that have been provided. Each of the early alert items that you see in your dashboard, you will also have received an email notification, and a copy of that email notification will be archived in your Starfish Messages channel. Once in your Messages channel, you can click on the item associated with the early alert item to find the message template, any additional instructions, and the comments from your instructor or the person who raised the flag. If you receive an early alert, please be sure to take action and contact your instructor as soon as possible. You may also want to follow up directly with your counselor or the service area that the early alert item is referring to. After you have connected with either your instructor, counselor, or the service area, we will update the flag in the early alert system so that the flag can either be closed or the contact can be recorded and the item will be left open. This will help us know how to support you in the future. If you have any questions about Early Alert or Starfish, please contact either your instructor or call the counseling office at 559-494-3037. Thank you for using Starfish.